Hello. Hello, my class. Today we're going to do a new paper. It's called Senior Class Fundraiser. All right. So this page that you see right now, the Senior Class Fundraiser, it's going to look like this. Okay. These skills that we will be covering, the new skills we will be covering, are use spelling suggestions, cut, comma, copy, paste text, find and replace text, and increase dent of text, and define text. Okay, have you ever been on writing a paper or something and you're trying to look up, you can look up, I'll show you how to look up the words. Okay, first off, you need to open up a new Google Doc, new document, blank document. Okay, uh, I highly recommend using up here. There's a voice typing. You can read this out and it will voice type for you. Okay. So you can voice type, and that's exactly what I did. All right. With that being said, let's get started. All right. To use spelling for suggestions, you can go up to View, click on View, and right down here, it's going to have spelling suggestions. So if you unclick that, all those misspelled words like hi, okay, see how it says hi? It's not spelling suggesting, so you're not going to be able to see that. So let's go ahead, press spelling suggestion. All right, so hi. See how it comes up with the red squiggly underneath it? You can double finger click that if you have a Chromebook, and it'll give you a suggestion. Did you mean hi? Okay, you can always correct to hi, or let's say you have a student in your class, or if you have somebody in your workplace that has a name that's not named spelled the normal way, or what is really normal, what is not spelled the common way, I should say, then you can go ahead and you can add that to personal dictionary, or you can just ignore it all. All right. So we'll click on hi, and you see how that changed that word to the proper spelling. Okay. All right. So right up here we have the equation bar. We don't need to have the equation. All right. Uh, excuse me. All right. So cut and paste. All right. So we're going to sit here and subject. All right. I don't want the subject right there. I'm going to, you can either do Control X and that's cut, or you can go up to Edit and it's going to have the scissors, or it gives you uh, the quick Control X. Excuse me. Oof. Trifling. All right, so I myself will just do the Control X. Control X. It's cut. We're going to take it down. And again, you can either do Edit, Control Paste, or you can do Paste or Control V. All right. So I'm going to do Control V, and that will paste that. So there we have the paste. Okay. And okay, we are going to copy. So we have, as always, Hamilton High School, we put the cursor at the beginning as it's flashing, and you take the cursor at the very end. I will press Shift, and I will highlight the whole sentence, or I can go like this. I can triple tap. Oh, okay. So I will go to the end of the sentence. I will press Shift, and I will click to the end. All right. Again, on this one, instead of Control X, which is cut, we're going to go to Edit, and we can do Control C, or we can press Copy. So I'm going to press Copy. Okay. And with that, I am going to take it to the last at the very end. And again, I can either go to edit and press paste, or I can do Control V, which is going to give you the same thing. It's going to give you the paste. So, all right, find and replace. Okay, I'm going to find and replace. All right. All right, edit. I will go up to edit. At the very bottom, it says find and replace. All right, I'm going to find Hamilton High School, and I'm going to replace it with Hamilton High. Okay, I can replace all, and then I am done. All right, so Hamilton High School, Hamilton High School. It used to be Hamilton High School. I will show you again. Hamilton High School. It says Hamilton High School, Hamilton High School. All right, I'm going to go ahead and undo that. Oops. All right, so there we go. So we found and replace. All right. I'm going to increase the indentation. All right, this is the section I want to increase. I will highlight that. Up here, I will increase the indentation by 1 by clicking once, and therefore it's going to say calendars can be picked up. All right, good job. All right, define text. How many times have you been typing something or reading something you just didn't quite understand what it meant? Okay, here we have logistics. All right, just go ahead, highlight logistics. All right, go up to tools, and about a third of the way down, it's going to say define. With that, click that, and the definition will come up. Plural noun logistics, a detailed coordination of complex operation involving many people, facilities, or supplies. The logistics cost of vaccination campaign. All right, there we found the definition. Okay, and this is your research panel. All right, so the research panel was over here. All right, we are going to center and bold text memorandum. All right, we have left align, right align, justify, and in the middle, of course, we can do control, as you see down here. It says Control Shift E, or I can just press that button, which is just as easy. All right, if I was pressed for time and I had that shortcut, I would do that. Okay, BIUA. All right, B is for bold, italicized, italic, or underlined, and this is a color text, or if we highlight the text. All right, next we are going to put some spaces between the subject to, from, date. All right, so I will go up to line spacing, click line spacing, and I will go to double space. Right now it is at 1.5. I will go to double space. There we go. We have a double space. All right, I see an error that I forgot to put in, colon. Shh, don't tell anybody about that. All right, last thing, you sit there and you go and you check for spelling. Do we have any spelling errors? No spelling suggestions. We go up here because this is Google Docs. It automatically, as long as we're hooked to the internet, it's going to save in our cloud. I will go up here and I will go to view. Nope, I will go to down here and we have the print. We can do print view. All right, and it will come up and it will give us a print preview. So this is what it looks like. any second now. Okay, so I already know what it's going to look like. So it's coming up. Shh, just 1 second. All right, there we go. All right, we went from this bland memorandum over to this memorandum. Looks nice. It's got spaces in it, so forth, blah, blah, blah. We can save it or we can go and change it to the printer. And with that, I am complete with this lesson. Once again, I will have this letter in my website. You can just copy and paste into the new blank document. Make sure, as always, you share it to share ima.tryfling at gmail.com. All right. And when you put in ima.trifling at gmail.com, when you press tab on the share, my name, Burke Englehart, should come in just to show you that that is me. All right. And as always, when you share it, make sure you put your class period first. All right. So first period, your first name, Ima, and if your last name, Trifling, and it's going to be senior class fundraiser. Okay, there you go. And that's how you should name it. First, the period of class you're in, Ima, Trifling, and that's your name, and senior class fundraiser. With that being said, this is Mr. Englehart, and I greatly appreciate you learning today. Thank you very much. Good day.